Hello everyone, welcome to my nookery. My name is Linda, and in today's video is all about the hashtag Sock It To Me 2023 roundup for March. First, I would like to thank the following for contributing their socks for this roundup, and there is at the end of the video, after I've finished talking and whatever, at the end there is a slideshow of everybody's socks, and the link to their channels are in the description box below, and I'd be ever so grateful if you could go over and check them out, give them a thumbs up, and maybe join their channel. That would be awesome. So this month I would like to thank Bonnie from Bonnie Got Knits and More, Mimi Cat Do, Teresa, which is the Knitting Dancer. We've got Anne from Toby Knits, Emma from Anxious Pyjama Days, and Yana from Flourish Evermore. So thank you so much, ladies. Your socks are awesome. So suppose I should show you mine. This month I've only made one pair of socks, guys. Shock horror. And in previous roundups I've had viewers asking me whether or not there is any other sock yarn than wool to make socks, as they're allergic to it. So I did a little bit of my homework, guys, and I've actually found King Cole cotton sock, and it's really nice to knit with, and it is 58% cotton, 38% polyamide and 4% PBT. There's 399 yards, and this colour is called Cobalt, and you can see how much I've got left. I've not weighed it, which I should have done, but I think I've got about 40 grams there, and I know I'll be able to make a pair of shorty socks for me. As you all know, I've only got little feet, so I would get a pair of shorties out of them for me, or possibly my sister. And these are the socks I made this month. So and you can really see the definition of the stitches, and the pattern is my own. It's my own pattern. And yeah, so they've written, and they fit beautifully, and they're so soft, and I've actually washed these in the washing machine. I just wanted to give them a test and see what they how they were, because as you know, my superwash merino socks I actually wash by hand. But these I just threw in the wash on a 30-degree wash, guys, and they've washed beautifully. You can, you know, I'm just so pleased with the yarn. So what I did then, I went and I bought some crimson, I bought some white, and I bought denim. So I plan to make more cotton socks, especially the shorties, because with spring and summer coming, and there's nothing nicer than having cotton on your feet in your trainers. And yeah, so they are my socks for this month. So yay! And so yeah, so they are, I can't recommend this sock yarn highly enough, guys. We know that socks take a bit of a battering, don't they? We walk on them everywhere, obviously, and we need something that's comfortable to wear on our feet, and these are very, very comfortable to wear. I have worn them, and then I wash them, and then I block them so you can see them. I can't recommend it highly enough. I will put a link to where I actually got my sock yarn, and that. So yeah, and I have got another pair of socks on the go. These are the Stephen West cable trellis but unfortunately guys, I'm going to frog this. I'm just not feeling the love with the pattern at all. And I've got, while I was at the East Anglia Yarn Festival, I bought some of this sock yarn, which is called from Mamie and Florrie. It was her first festival yarn, a vending at a festival, and the beautiful Amy. I will put the link to Amy's website below. This is a beautiful sock. This is called Whaley Park, and it's 75% BFL, and it's 25% nylon, and it's called the Adventure Sock Yarn. 100 grams, 425 meters. So yeah, so Mamie and Florrie, a UK company, new to me, lovely lady I met at the festival, really, and I said, so I'm going to actually make this, and I'm going to hopefully write up this pattern as a sock pattern. So we'll see. I'm hoping to get it done before I go away on holiday. If not, it'll be the typical heel flap and gusset with the toe, and then the pattern on the front. So I'm hoping to get that done. Yeah, so it's really nice rust colours. These will make a lovely pair of socks for Rick. And yeah, so but they are definitely going to be frogged. I'm not feeling the love for them at the moment, so I'm hoping they will be my April socks. So we'll see how it goes. We'll see how it goes, guys. I'm not going to start my next socks till the beginning of April. I've got lots to get on with before, well, it's the last day of it's the last day of March today, isn't it? Friday. Yes, so maybe over the weekend I'll start them socks and maybe start getting them written up. And then I've got to decide where I'm going to sell my pattern then. Hey ho, all to think about. So I might leave it until I come back off my holiday, because I'm going on holiday the end of April, and I need to get some testers to test the pattern. Oh well, things to think about. So might not be till May when they will come out, so we'll see how it goes. So that's my news. I hope you're all well. If you would like to take part, whether you knit socks or crochet socks, email me with a photograph of your socks, with I need to know what yarn you've used, what needle size you've used, and whose pattern you've used, just so I can give a shout out to the pattern maker as well in the slideshow. And you'll be included in this slideshow for April. And I'm going to have to bring it forward for everybody to get their socks to me, because obviously I'm not going to be here at the end, and I need to get all the videos done before I go away. So take care everybody, stay safe, but more importantly guys, be kind to you, and thank you ever so much for being here and taking part. And please check out the lovely ladies, content creators who took part in this month's Sock It To Me, #SockItToMe 2023 Roundup. Bye for now.